Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to enable or disable WhatsApp advanced chat privacy. So the first step we're going to take is you have to open up your WhatsApp, and if you have tried to do that and it's not working, what you need to do is you have to first of all make sure your app is updated. You can go to Play Store or Apple Store to actually update your app, right? So after doing that, you can now click on the group you want to set that on. So click on the three horizontal line above them. No, you don't have to click on that. Click on the name right here, right? And then you can scroll down. You can see advanced chat privacy right here, so you have to click on that, right? And as you can see, can't save media to their device gallery automatically, can't use AI feature like mentioning or summarizing unread messages, can't export the chat. So once you click this on, all this is not going to happen. So I'm going to turn that on right there. But since the admin did not actually allow that cannot actually happen. So this is actually how to enable and disable that. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.